Those biscuits you made were great. How did you do it?
Mommy put oil in it, and then I squished them really hard. Then I gave it to mommy, and then she put it in, and she touched it a little to make sure it's good. This is one of the biscuits that we are gonna put in.
Jonathan, you are really a good chef.
And
You're remarkable.
And
Laquilla, what do you think?
No, don't kill me.
Laquilla, what do you think? Maurice, what do you think about your brother's biscuits?
He makes them every day, so I'm not surprised.
Okay.
I mean, they're not bad. I'm just gonna say, get Laquilla!
Laquilla! So, Prudence, how are you able to teach your son how to be a chef?
He's very interested in cooking.
You have to turn this way.
He's
Miss-
very interested in cooking, so it's not difficult. Excuse me?
it's not difficult.
That's not difficult, son?
No.
You did a very good job. I'm so proud.
I can also make egg sandwiches by myself.
Wow. But you always have to have a parent next to you. Okay?
Yeah, no, I can start by
You
myself.
mean mixing it.
Yeah, I can put the salt in by myself.
Oh.
Then I can give it to my mom without. Okay, that was unfair. That was a real.
That was